Welcome to MellowBites. I'm Bargo. Today we're gonna make guacamole, of course, with avocados. So I'm gonna cut my avocados up. So I used 2 avocados and I mashed it up so well. And add some salt and some cumin powder and some lemon juice. Ow, ow, ow. This lemon juice gives a nice tanginess. Add some pepper and I have half onions chopped, and now I'm gonna add some in and some tomatoes and mix it well again. And also you can give it a nice mush. Yummy guacamole is ready in minutes. Hope you try it at your home. Dun, 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 dun. Bye, Free!